So I think beyond just those skills, I think working this, in my opinion, working this area, I think requires um, a certain personality or certain um, interest in particular topics. So I think from my perspective, one of the key defining things about wholesale modeling is that it's a field with a lot of big goals and a lot of big challenges. And so as a result, I think working this field requires one to be able to take a big long-term goal and then to be able to translate that into small steps which are actionable in the near term. And then be comfortable with the fact that the solutions that you're going to try to build to relatively near-term problems over the short term, that these may or might not actually. I think you have to be comfortable with the fact that wholesale modeling is an emerging problem which doesn't have an established set of tools or established set of methods or protocols that one can just follow. I think you have to be comfortable working in a field that has a lot of long-term uncertainty. And because there aren't a lot of established methods, instead, I think it's important to be able to identify relevant methods, relevant tools in other established fields, and to be able to bring them into wholesale modeling, learn from them, adapt them, and combine them as necessary to advance the field of wholesale modeling. And again, very, very similar to that, I think, because there are many challenges in wholesale modeling, in order to advance the field as a whole, I think one has to, it's important to have the ability to and willingness to work on a broad range of tasks. So, for example, if you want to build a big model of a new cell type, you'd have to integrate the data, find the data required to do this, integrate it. You have to design a lot of submodels. You probably have to write a lot of software, and so I think it's difficult to make progress in wholesale modeling and want to be siloed. I think it's important to be able to want to work broad across a range of tasks and push all of them forward to realize bigger long-term goals.